welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Lolly's Cooking Channel. We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a vanilla cake. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and turn off your notification bell. And if you've subscribed before, you're welcome back. Welcome. God bless you. So let's get into it. For the vanilla cake, we'll use 4 large eggs, vanilla extract. I'm using the powder. I didn't get the extract. I'm using vanilla powder. Uh, I'll be using sugar 250 gram, oil 250 ml, salt, a pinch of salt, um, 2 teaspoon of baking powder, salt, my all-purpose flour 450 gram. So that is all I will use for this uh, recipe. I'll have my eggs broken into my bowl. So you might decide to use a hand mixer or decide to use a standing mixer as I am doing this evening. So the next thing is I'm pouring my 250 gram sugar into my egg. So and I'm going to beat it up until it becomes creamy. So I'm going to use this time to sift my flour. Your flour must be sifted. And so you can see how creamy it is now. We're going in with our oil. I'm leaving a pinch to oil my baking pan. So I'm going to mix again. One, two. That's baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, one level of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. So I'm adding everything in now. I'm going to beat it up on this very slow, low pressure. So now I'm going to be adding in my milk. That's it. So I'll be oiling my pan. I already have the parchment paper in my pan. That will save me, make it easier for it to come out, and that will save me a whole lot of stress to bring it out. So you preheat your oven for 180 degree before you take in your cake. So this is it. It's ready for bake. So we'll be baking it for 45 minutes on 120. It depends on how hot your oven is. But for mine, it's 120. Here is it. It's ready. You see how it looks like. So this is it.